Hi, I'm Jim Elder, a director in our investment management segment at S&P Capital IQ. We are here today to discuss the key findings of our second issue of Fixed Income IQ, which is specifically designed for fixed income professionals in the investment community. Fixed Income IQ is a quarterly publication produced by S&P Capital IQ that leverages comprehensive proprietary analytics and data to provide you with quarterly trends in the global fixed income markets. In this edition, we are focusing on corporate credit in North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. I'm here today with one of the authors, Jay Boncaria, a senior manager in the investment management segment, who will step us through some of the key observations from this publication. Jay, there is a lot of information available. Could you step us through some of the most notable findings?
Yep, thanks, Jim. So let's take a look at the consumer discretionary sector globally this quarter. We've noticed some interesting divergences in different regions through some of our key observations. First, let's take a look at our probability of default market signals. Here in this chart, we see the probability of defaults globally, and we notice that in North America and in Latin America, probability of defaults have improved, whereas in Europe and Asia Pacific, the probability of defaults have actually declined. In North America, we've noticed spurred economic growth in Q2, as well as consumer spending reaching a 6-year all-time high, whereas in Europe, we're seeing slower wage growth and subdued inflation, which has led to increased risk in this sector. Now let's take a look at our corporate yield curves. Here we could see the changes in the 10-year yields between consumer discretionary as well as overall non-financials. Once again, in North America, consumer discretionary is actually outperforming the non-financials overall, whereas in Europe, it's underperforming the non-financials overall. So this will be an interesting trend to see if this continues throughout Q3 as well.
Great. Thanks, Jay. We saw some insights that can be uncovered by looking at probability of default and yield curve information. In our latest edition of Fixed Income IQ, we cover this as well as more trends in the market, credit quality, financial ratios, and issuance across North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. So please download a copy, and we'll see you next quarter.